буду глядеть, як мамины пальцы юзают сценки у нашей кухни, гуляя кухни. Семечки снегают, темные розы, ягоды, что мы прожили не побольше, не будем говорить, кроется, что прошу помнишь.
Belarusian police called my mom. They asked, where am I? I live in London for 20 years. According to their records, I left to Ukraine in 2022, and they wonder, did I go back? My mom replied, that is not a crime to travel. Strong Soviet woman, raised in orphan house. Both of her parents, my grandparents, were killed in the Second World War. I never met them. Now, because of this war, I cannot travel to Belarus. I haven't seen my mother for 3 years, and I don't know, will I see her alive? Alive. 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 When I come back, you will cry. When I come back, it will feel like I've never left. When I come back, you will come back too. If you want, if you left, if there anything left for you. Калі ты з'ехаў, калі для цябе засталося там штосьці, калі ты таксама мова, страчаная і знойдзеная, знікае і зноў з'яўляецца зямля ўнутры мяккага цельца, не ведаючы, але верачы, галава павёрнутая ў бок сонца, бесконечнік.